Whether you're coming back to the guitar after a long time away, or you play a lot but you play the exact same things over and over again, what you really need is the next light bulb moment to break you out of that guitar rut. So let me show you the 3 acoustic guitar building blocks that will help you ditch the typical learning curve and experience consistent and reliable progress every time you pick up the guitar. The first building block is basic fretboard navigation. You learn the musical alphabet and then layer on the 2 essential patterns so you can find any note on the fretboard without ever getting lost again. The second building block is the basics of technique and body mechanics. This includes the fundamentals of pick approach, fretting, and body tension management so that you can limit injury, play buzz-free, and increase accuracy. And the third building block, how to incorporate the science of habit and learning so that you can apply everything that you learn to a daily and weekly routine that keeps you excited and experiencing consistent and reliable progress on your guitar. So here's the deal. I'm going to be putting on a free online acoustic guitar workshop where I'm going to be teaching each of these building blocks in extreme detail. So before you start watching another guitar video, go ahead and click the link and register for this free online acoustic guitar workshop. It could be the best thing you've ever done for your guitar playing journey.